Hi everyone, I'm Isaac with Food in Focus, and today we'll be discussing tips for growing carrots. Carrots grow best in loose, well-drained soil or raised beds. The seeds are best planted into the garden at a depth of about 1/4 to 1/2 an inch. Carrots do not like to be transplanted. When planting, cover the seeds with light, fluffy soil so the young plants, also known as seedlings, can push out easily. Because carrot seeds are small, it is easy to plant too many. Remove seedlings that are growing close together so that only one seedling is left to grow, and space seedlings at least 2 inches apart. Keep the seedbed moist. Once plants are established, meaning they are older and have more growth, water regularly to keep the soil from drying out. In general, carrots can be planted from spring to midsummer. Carrots like full sun, but can tolerate some shade. Carrots don't take a lot of space, so they can be grown in containers. Choose one of the shorter carrot types like Chantenay, Nantes, or Thumbelina, and a container at least 12 inches deep. Carrots are prone to carrot fly, wireworms, symphlands, cabbage maggots, onion maggots, and other pests. To help repel pests, plant carrots with plants in the allium family, such as garlic, onions, or chives. This type of strategy is called companion planting. Carrots are one of the first and last vegetables to be harvested. Most types are ready to harvest when the shoulder, which is the top of the root, is about 1/2 an inch wide or larger. Use a trowel or fork to loosen the soil and gently dig up your carrots, which is easier when the soil is damp. For central and eastern Oregon, plant carrots anywhere from mid-April through early June and harvest through the end of September. For the Willamette Valley, plant between the beginning of March through early August and harvest between the beginning of June and late November. Coastal Oregon has 2 planting and harvesting seasons. Plant from the beginning of April through mid-May to harvest mid-May through the end of July, and plant late June through the end of July to harvest sometime in September. If stored in a cool spot, carrots will stay fresh for a long time. Cut off the green tops and rinse and dry the carrots before storing. Few other vegetables can match homegrown carrots for vitamin content and sweet flavor. Enjoy them raw with dip, grated into salads, roasted, or cooked and mashed. I like to use carrots in the Food Hero recipe Peach and Carrot Smoothie. It's a quick and easy recipe that's sweet, refreshing, and nutritious. Some of the best types of orange carrots to grow are Red Core Chantenay, Royal Chantenay, Scarlet Nantes, Bolero, Napa, and Danvers. Good yellow varieties are Yellowstone, White, and White Satin. Good purple varieties are Purple Haze, Mini, and Thumbelina. To find more gardening tips and tons of recipes, including Peach and Carrot Smoothie, go to foodhero.org. Here you can also sign up to get the Food Hero Monthly emailed to your inbox each month for free. Thanks for watching.